Guys, I'm starting to wonder if we are not having another Rosemary Ndlovu type of situation with the Wandi Ndlovu saga, because allegedly Wandi was not arrested with her cousins, but rather her mother and siblings. And remember, Wandi's younger sister recently, or I think last year, had a baby. So, poor baby. But I mean, was there some kind of family feud or insurance policy type of thing? I don't get it, because she always said she has a problem staying at home, people judging her and stuff. But she once hinted of an uncle, like Uti Baningi, Giti, and my uncle is not okay, or is not treating us well, or something like that. So I'm starting to wonder if maybe uncle did something and they just had to defend themselves, or I don't know, or it's another Rosemary Glover situation. I'm flabbergasted at this moment, because girl, just yesterday you were in Nigeria mumming your life away. I don't want to lie, guys. I'm so angry at Wandi for coming back to South Africa. Like, girl was living her life. But also, I think we must be honest with ourselves as South African women about these relationships that we start with Nigerian men. Usually, they don't serve us anything rather than bad luck and bad karma. I personally have never been in such a relationship, but I see a lot of people who've been in such relationships whose lives just turned 360 to bad and worse. Like, guys, girl looked like she was living her life. At some point, people were making speculations that she might be kidnapped in Nigeria. But okay, she came home. Another thing is social media pressure. I feel as if she was pressured to come back and make herself seen in South Africa again, so that people don't speculate that she was kidnapped and so forth. You know, like everybody was saying, she can't speak her mind anymore and so forth, only to come back to this drama. Family is very toxic, I must say. I personally don't get along with my uncles or whoever, extended family members and etc. It's not even that I don't get along with them. I just don't want to partake in any, meet and greet or anything like that. I live my life, they live their lives, and I don't give a fuck about them. So for her to be now arrested for an alleged murder is like, wow, girl, why the hell did you come back? But again, I'm thinking, did these Nigerian relationships bring you like super, super bad luck to this point? She's arrested and right now is in the cells at Ramkunupi in Katlehong. And you know what? I don't know what happened, but apparently it's a brutal murder. Her cousins were arrested as well. Like, I don't know, guys. Like, I have run out of yours.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Bani bayatibuta ukuthi kungani Wandi Ndlovu abuye eNigeria makabuya sewubulala malume. So people are now saying ukuthi hayibo hayi ukuthi Wandi Ndlovu uthwele ngeli-uncle Kesana. We know ukuthi Wandi Ndlovu, there were rumors ukuthi bamthumbile leni eNigeria bafuna abuye, sambona ugele seka-trend ashaya ama-BBL, sambona ukuthi hayibo ugirl, she's actually living the life lena eNigeria. Ubuyile-ke girl after athuke bantu kokuthi abuye atowendane eSouth Africa, abuye atowendane ekhaya nimbekele emsebenzini. Wadecide-ke ukuthi after a few months ugele wabuya gele sambona extend indle ekhaya kubo waposta lapha kuma-social media platforms akhe kakhulu i-Instagram bantu bamshayela tandla bathi hayibo gele at least eNigeria ubuye nesakala vuma uyabona bambona a-extenda some were criticizing bathi yini le ndula yakhako it seems like akabuyi nemashankura la enough. Now that section uncle bantu bathi hayibo wena bowubuyele akutonquma uncle wena eNigeria. So people are saying ukuthi le nto yokujula nema-Nigeria lena vele nje inethelela lo mubi longasi-right ngathi mademon or satanism because ufika njani uWandi la segcina abulala malume khona. So people are saying ukuthi ayiko ukuthi uWandi uthwele ngamalume. Hey guys, kuyathusa akusho mini. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. Ganimine senghembe.